trading jits and crits. I went to sleep kind of late last night, but it's okay. So, beautiful. So, we tap into a 4-hour fair value gap overnight. That was from Monday. Seems like price respected it pretty well. To a 4-hour. It seems like it respects it pretty well as sweeps ITL inside of the gap and even comes out and inverses a 4-hour FEG. We have an unmitigated 4-hour. Have an unmin. Yeah, that's what I was looking for. Shut the fuck up. We also have a 15-minute to the downside. I wanna wait for. Actually, I'm going to this 30-minute closes. 15 minutes. Price to retrace into that gap, and price also has a 30-minute that should form here when market opens. Price could inverse the 15 to 30-minute gap, and we can take a short, but I'm pretty bullish today, as I think price will manipulate down for a bit, then eventually respect the lows we have inside of the 4-hour gap and push price higher, giving us some sort of inverse on the 1 to 5-minute time frame. Alright, big day today, but we'll catch you guys when market opens. So, let's get it. Alright, market has officially opened. So, we have a 15-minute right here that price did respect. We have a 30-minute down here, actually it just got made. And then we have this 2-minute right here, which did disrespect a little bit. I think price probably wants to dive a little deeper into PA. Probably won't take a trade like fucking ASAP with this inverses, because I do want to make sure price does at least come down here and take out this bad boy. Or if price comes down, take this out. We could look for the inverse play going down. I mean going up. Sorry. And yeah. So this is just a big waiting game right now. Sorry if you guys hear a chainsaw. They're cutting a tree down outside my house. As crazy as that sounds. Two-minute does inverse. Inverse is big time. Wow. But do I take this is the question. We do inverse 1 minute as well. My chainsaw's like right next to my fucking house. I do want to wait for this to kind of pull back a little bit. Oh yeah, see this 2-minute candle didn't even get the inverse. It probably will now. Fucking AC sounded like a jet engine just now. Just pulling down exactly where I want it to pull down to, so I'm not mad at all. looks a lot more doable, huh? Price might be respecting those lows, not gonna lie. It's kind of what it just looked like, huh? Fucking god, bro. This shit holding. Price does seem like it's respecting those lows. Let me check them. Yes, real quick. It's cause yes already sniped them shits. Okay. So there's kind of a little SMT right here. Okay, I see what's going on now. I would love for price to snipe this low, make a new gap, and then we can take a trade off that. This price can snipe that low, tap into a 30-minute. Then the trade would probably only come up to here. But let's see what price wants to do. price gets those lows. Crack the low I want you to. Yes. And a tap. And a tap into the gap. Ooh. That was too much dip on your chip though, huh? Okay, we see a new gap get made. Bam. So the 50 minutes officially inversed, huh? Technically. So we don't need this anymore. I would want to see price hold this gap and then just fucking blitz through it, bro. So far we do have a 1 minute being made. We could put this up here. Okay, never mind. Never mind. Never mind. Never mind. Price is just shrinking the gap. I like when price does this because honestly it just means that it does want to blitz through it. So now I wonder if price protects this low. That 2 minute get formed? No, it's got 40 seconds. But it would be the same fucking gap, so. So that probably means that these lows we see down here are probably protected as fuck. And we are inside of a 30 minute now, so. I mean, there's no like break of structure, really anything. We're just inside of a big ass 30 minute gap. Price knows it's gonna respect it. Price knows it has like no fucking choice but to respect that fucking gap. I would not take a short here, honestly. Just because it's just like that one day. It's just like Monday. Fucking take a short. Price reverses as soon as it gets in the 30 minute gap. And then boom. This is like an ultimate test. Here goes nothing, man. bar not looking too bright, but it's okay. I like the way this candle's leaving this wick behind. Probably shouldn't go chase it. You just gotta trust the strategy, man. There we go. Price just gotta hold. It's not holding. Ugh, that's a nasty drop. Yeah, the fact that that candle turned red too. But it is inside of 30 minutes, so. as we don't respect this 2 minute again, bro. Honestly, I want to try to take the Maven like all the way up here. Price can just disrespect this 2 minute, man. I couldn't be more proud of myself right now, bro. I think that's the only reason why I'm feeling emotional. It's just cause like I don't think I could feel more proud than myself right now, bro. I had a very deep talk with a good friend yesterday. Cause I have a bad habit tracker on my phone. And 25, 26 days ago now, I stopped masturbating, I stopped watching porn, I stopped doing all the bad habits I really had other than smoking, like smoking Nick. I mean, God came to terms that he was pretty okay with that because I turned my life over to Christ. And obviously, he's the ultimate forgiver. Just because you turn your life over to Christ doesn't mean we stop sinning, you know? But I just wanted to take all my bad habits away for him to show me something better. And ever since then, bro, this account has grown to the point that it's grown to today. This account, which was $300 away from drawdown, is now funded. Is now fucking funded. Like, that's just crazy to think about, you know? It's crazy to sit there and say. It's crazy to think about. It almost feels too good to be fucking true. You know what I mean? And the fact that it's only 8 o'clock and it happened so fast, even though we were in drawdown, and it happened so fast, it's like, wow. That's just Christ talking, you know? Like, that's so nuts. So, let me go check if it updated. It probably will update a little later, but Okay, so sadly, I couldn't show you guys the shit without it showing literally my fucking login, the account numbers, and all that shit. So, as you guys can see, Lucid Flex 25k funded pending. Your account will become active within 5 minutes during market hours. Weekend purchases become active at Sunday market open. um, I wasn't really filled with joy because I know that this is probably like, if not the first step, like the tiniest step. The way this works is that if, let's say I build the account up to $2,000, which is totally possible. I mean, we just passed it for 1,200. So if we take $300 trades and we risk like 250 a trade, like we've been doing, um, we should hit $2,000 pretty quickly. And yeah, the catch about these accounts is that the reason I want to build it up to like a $2,000 point is because it would keep the $1,000 buffer that it has. And I know I'm probably saying this completely wrong, but basically, let's say this: if I build this account up to $1,000, right, and I take out 500 because that's half of it. Now I only have $500 to play with on the account. So if I build the account to $2,000, take out $1,000, now the account has an extra $1,000 to play with, and so on and so forth. So yeah, um, I the risk isn't really gonna change honestly, because I'm pretty sure 30 times 5 is 1,500. So that would just mean that we would have to hit like a good like week's worth of trades in a row, and then probably go on a bit of a winning streak. Not gonna lie, probably go on like a crazy ass winning streak. But I did just get a notification from Lucid actually. So let me see if I can pull this up without exposing too much of myself again. I wanted to make sure this all got in the same video, you know what I mean, bro? Like, I just wanted to make sure. Your funded account is active. Damn, bro. Damn. Let's see if we get the certificate. No evaluation certificates yet. It is funded. Where the fuck my whoa? Hey, where's my certificate? I didn't do this all for nothing. Where's my piece of paper? That probably means more than my birth certificate, man. That bullshit. It's okay, they're probably still making my name look pretty. But yeah, so hope you guys have a great day. God bless you guys, and I'll catch you all tomorrow, I guess. Shit.